What if the medication your doctor prescribed, the one meant to heal you, was actually the reason you kept getting worse? Not because the diagnosis was wrong, but because it was incomplete, and the missing piece was silently destroying her from the inside. This is a real case, and it might just save someone you love. She had traveled a long distance to reach my clinic, not because it was close, but because she had run out of options. Doctor, I've seen so many doctors. They all told me I have hypothyroidism, underactive thyroid. I've been taking the medication, but the more I take it, the worse I get. My blood pressure crashes. My body can't hold itself up. I can barely breathe. This clinic, this is my last stop. Her words carried something that triggered the detective inside me. The diagnosis was there. The treatment was correct. So why was she collapsing? I examined her carefully, and I started asking the questions no one else had asked. The silent questions hiding behind the official diagnosis. Clue 1. Her blood pressure was dangerously low. In hypothyroidism, it should be normal or even high, not crashing. Why? Clue 2. Strange skin darkening over her knuckles, as if she'd spent weeks in the sun, but she could barely leave her house. Clue 3. Blood sugar suddenly dropping. Clue 4. Unusually thin. Hypothyroidism slows metabolism. Patients gain weight, not lose it. 4 clues, all pointing away from simple hypothyroidism. The lightbulb moment hit me. I immediately suspected Schmidt Syndrome. Imagine your immune system, the thing designed to protect you, suddenly loses its mind and starts attacking 2 of your own vital factories at the same time. Factory 1, the thyroid gland. Everyone saw this attack. Everyone treated this. But there was a second attack happening in total silence. Factory 2, the adrenal glands, producing cortisol, your body's emergency hormone. When this factory fails, blood pressure crashes, weight drops, skin darkens from ACTH buildup. Every single clue she had. Adrenal factory, what it makes cortisol, controls blood pressure plus emergency response, aldosterone, salt and fluid balance. When it fails, BP drops, weight falls, skin darkens, ACTH. When you give levothyroxine to a patient whose adrenal glands are already failing, you trigger a catastrophe. The thyroid hormone speeds up your entire metabolism. Your body burns through its last cortisol reserves at rocket speed. The patient goes into total collapse. Every dose she took was building 1 floor of a building, while collapsing the ceiling above her head. She wasn't getting sicker despite the treatment. She was getting sicker because of it. I ordered very specific tests. Cortisol levels, adrenal antibodies, full autoimmune panel. Every result confirmed Schmidt Syndrome. Complete, textbook, and completely missed by everyone who had seen her before. Diagnostic confirmation, morning cortisol. Critically low anti-adrenal antibodies. Positive ACTH stimulation test. Insufficient anti-TPO thyroid antibodies. Positive. The solution was not a new drug. It was the right sequence. Step 1, stop the wrong order. Step 2, replace the adrenal hormone first. Give the body its foundation. Let it stabilize. 3 days later, adrenal function supported, we carefully reintroduced levothyroxine. Low dose, close monitoring, like restarting a machine that had been standing still and rusting for far too long. 2 weeks later, she called. Blood pressure normalized. Breathlessness gone. Color returned to her face. Her voice carried something I hadn't heard in our first meeting. Life. Doctor, I thought the journey to reach you was long, but it turned out it was the shortest road back to my life that was slipping away. If you or someone you know has hypothyroidism and the treatment isn't working or seems to be making things worse, ask about these warning signs. They might be the hidden clues to something bigger. Red flags. Ask your doctor low blood pressure, despite thyroid treatment, skin darkening, knuckles, elbows, lips. Unexplained weight loss, not gain. Blood sugar dropping suddenly. Extreme fatigue even on medication. Nausea, dizziness, feeling faint. Ask for cortisol testing. Ask about Schmidt Syndrome, autoimmune polyglandular syndrome type 2. These conditions are rare, but they exist, and a single blood test can reveal the whole picture. Not every tired thyroid is just a lazy thyroid. Sometimes the body sends encrypted messages, and they need a doctor who listens with their mind, not just their stethoscope. Share this with anyone who has a thyroid condition and feels like their treatment isn't working. You might be giving them the missing piece. Follow for more real cases where the answer was always hiding in the question no one asked.